So first thing we're going to do is remove this plastic cover. Then we're going to remove these covers. These have these little plugs. You just press it until they go inside, and then you can leverage them. And now you can pull the complete cover to a side. So we can work on the roll bar. Here you can see 2 bolts, which are already present in the car. We're going to remove these 2 bolts because with these 2 bolts we're going to attach the roll bar inside the MR2. What you need is a 13mm socket, and then you can just untighten the bolts. Here you go. Here's one. This is the second one. Okay, well now we're going to remove this small cap. And we see 2 10mm bolts we need to take out on the other side. It's the same, and then we can take out the original wind deflector. I'm doing this by hand because I need the nuts, and if I lose them, they'll be lost somewhere inside the car. It's important, there is a difference between a left and the right bar. This is the right bar, this is the first one we're going to install. So the roll bar slides over this bolt, and then over the 2 bolts of the original wind deflector. Now we can tighten all bolts again to secure the roll bar. So the second roll bar is also installed. Both roll bars are installed. The only thing left to do is to put back these covers. There's only one problem. Since now there is a roll bar, what we need to do is to take out a small piece of the cover in order to be able to fit the cover again. So what you do is you line up the holes, take a pencil, mark the position of the roll bar, and you just cut this piece out and the cover will fit again.